Turakoze cyane mushoboka. Okay. Tudatinze. Reka twakire star. Mwana mukunzi muramunyereka icya kabiri abereka ko nawe ashoboye hejuru yo gushobora abereka ko adashoboye kometiyo n'amashuri n'ibindi. He is a radio presenter, a great comedian. Twakire Rufino!
Bahari yang ini dia harus sama 500, usulah 500 dari 3 ya.
no kwiga ibintu bya social study na za geography maze kumenya umugezi wa Nyabugogo Nyabugogo uturuka muri Mwogo ukamenya muri Nyabugogo Nyabugogo ariyo avuga ni ramemba y'Indagaso iyajyanye ije kumugurira muri Nyabugogo yaho ni nyane
Yesu niwe wakurikiraga ubu sinakaza nyuma
iyi nyane Mediterane ariyo Farawo yakuyemo igihe yari akurikiye Mose abana b'abapfuye ariko tekereza n'abanyarwenya tunatere page z'ibintu by'amasomo by'ibintu byo kwiga si ngombwa ko bigenzura tuvuga ibintu ngo ni byo gusetsa gusa tumakuza no tugashyiramo n'ibintu by'amasomo kugira ngo ubone ko twasoma
disregard me, detest me, as long as you are not money. Can never, if you like hate me, disregard me, detest me, as long as you are not money. Can never be that brother. If you like hate me, disregard me, detest me, if you like hate me, disregard me, detest me, as long as you are not, if you like hate me, disregard me, detest me, as long as you are not money. Can never be my brother. This one, you don't have money and you are looking for a woman that will love you the way you are. And what are the years of yourself the way you are? This year of dollars, because of I resist you lost your ability. Now I resist dollars is out. Resist for all you use. This year of dollars, because your relationship is not anywhere, you are not able to understand. My sister is sweet. You are not insensible. This year of dollars, a man without money is a lesbian. All right, please have a seat, have a seat. Let us start the show. Hello? Please, I want you guys to appreciate all the previous comedians that have performed on this stage today. Please celebrate every single comedian that has climbed this stage today. You know, it is easier to make skits than it is to do stand-up comedy. Because when you make mistake doing skits, you can reshoot and correct it. But when you make mistake in stand-up comedy, the mistake is with you and dies with you. Because you cannot correct it on stage. Hallelujah, someone. Oh my God. A lot of people say I look like the president of Rwanda. No, look at me. Look at me. Don't I look like him? Okay, look at me from the back. Do I look like him? What about from the ear? Just look at my ear. I don't look like him. Okay, focus on my forehead. I don't look like him. If you love the president, make some noise. You know, people ask me, why is it that I love the president? Why do I love Rwanda so much? They say, I told them it's because of the president. They say, are you sure really? Are you still for the president? Is it more? I say, yes, the president is number one. And the beautiful. See, I'm not always thinking that Nigeria is paradise. Let me tell you something. Please. We are suffering in Nigeria. Hello? Are there Nigerians here? Are there Nigerians here? Nigerians, make some noise. Oh! If you raise your hand, we'll deport you. You must go back to Nigeria and join the suffering. Nigeria has become very difficult
difficult. That was why one morning I woke up. Honestly, say let me tell you, Nigeria is hard. You guys are enjoying here. Things are becoming difficult in Nigeria every day. You think Nigeria is easy? Nigeria is so hard that somebody has to go to the studio and sing a song that says we are in battle. DJ, rather try. If Nigeria was easy, if Nigeria was easy, somebody would also sing this song. Video. Like when you go to the US, the UK, you see white pastors casting out demons. You know the demons over there, they are not strong. You see a white pastor, he comes out. Mali, you demon, he looks like a demon-possessed person. You demon. When I look at you, demon, I know you know me. Demon, out! You will see the demon because they don't eat anything here, they only eat vegetables. You see the demon? Oh my God, you're casting me out? Oh my God, I am going. The demon has gone. You don't look up in Africa. African demon is eating fufu. Bivuze ngo Yesu koko amaze imyaka ibihumbi 20 na bine apfuye. Bivuze ngo Yesu nta nubwo aramara iminsi 2 mu ijuru nta na wikindi arashaka ubundi bwagezeyo ari gutera Imana atari kurwambye mutegereze ko azagaruka maze mu muntu abasha kugenda bakurikiye kandi mwebwe Petero Francis amushimisha cyangwa mutarishimiye cyane. Yewe ku myaka amaze kugira niteguye ko mu kwa kane ku itariki 15 ngende ku gipfunsi nibo nzakorera. Kubera iki? U Rwanda rumaze gutera imbere niba ubyemera amashuri mu buganga, mu buvuzi, amashuri, mu buganga, amashuri yose. Reka ngende kugira ku buganga. Kera wakoraga impyiko ukayipfuka usigaye impyiko kuko kuziranye Naomi yagize ikibazo cy'umutwe nzovu kubera ko ari umuntu mwiza amuhawe iba umuntu umwanya mwiza nagize ikibazo cy'umutwe umuntu n'urugo wagaraga mu mirambo kuri bari mirambo kwa mugusha mirambo mbere ntabwo najyaga nemera ko abakene babaho nabyemeye muri komi. Mfite sisita wanjye ntabwo si umukene gusa nishoboye ko abana babiga ahantu heza bavuga igifaransa apana abana mujya gusura mu abana bamwe bose barasuka kugira ngo bonjour ça va bien ene utamama ene narashana kumva ni byiza ureke byari byo gusura cyarabikorotse bonjour mon maîtresse abana bafite wanjye nagiye kumusura muri Covid ahantu na Covid gato yagezeyo yitwa Miguel turakina sinzi kuko kurusha imbaraga ndamusunika akubita umutwe ahantu arababara arabona umwana. Reaction ya Miguel nayitekereje ukuntu yarizeraga mama yari muri cuisine apana mu gikoni ari muri cuisine aramubaza qu'est-ce qui se passe Miguel Miguel Daoud, c'est tonton qui m'a fait mal. Maman a dit, Miguel, calme-toi, toi tu vas gagner, c'est bon. Miguel a dit, nous qui m'avons dit ça, nous qui avons dit non. Après, nous avons dit trois Kevin. Kevin, trois Kevin, Miguel, à tout Kevin, maman a dit, papa, maman, la tête, maman, papa, les enfants, 6 fois 6, 6, 6, 1 poupée, tambour. Le Seigneur nous a aimés comme on n'a jamais aimé. Il nous guide chaque jour comme une étoile dans la commune. Le pays a mis, groupe scolaire Ito. On peut avoir tout ce qu'on a, tout ce qu'on a dit. Mon Dieu, il m'a encore, il m'a encore. dukoresha ikinyarwanda nabi leta ishyiraho sisiteme ya ntibavuga bavuga muzacunge birakora kera hari abantu n'ubikoresha nabi nanjye reka amahereze iyi ariko kandi gusanga abantu benshi ko bikoresha hari abantu usanga kuvuga ngo agiye kuvuga ahantu atuye ukumva aravuze ngo ubu tuba mu Bufaransa, ubu tuba mu Bwongereza, ubu tuba mu Buhinde, ubu tuba mu Espagne. Nibavuga ubu tuba bavuga ubu dutuye. Hari n'aho usanga abantu ari ikibazo cya diaspora gusa. Jakuba mu Malawi n'ahanga. Ubu tuba mu Migina, ubu tuba Nyamirambo, ubu tuba Kanserege. Nibavuga tuba mu Giti.
Turabashimiye cyane.
Mungkin dia ulangi. Nama mereka kuko abenshi babaza mu kwimatawama. Turatangira n'amateraniro y'ibisanzwe. Turatangira dusoma ijambo mu gitabo mu dizi n'imikoro. Turasoma ijambo mu gitabo reka sabe tuyoboke adusomere. Nahaguruka tumusaba ahagaragara n'utacu bitwaye kugira ngo dufungure amateraniro yacu mu mahoro. Indi mpamvu umutijo n'ahatabise niba gikoresheje mukoroka wahaguruka nta kibazo. Itangiriro 14 kuri 14 soma aho ngaho. Nabonye se ninde uyu mu DJ ninde w'inzobe umukobwa Ebrian yabatije ese bamushu iyo bamushuriza amazi akonje kuragara cyo ufasha. Turashima abantu mu Rwanda gender balance maze gufata inditera uri mu gusanga abakobwa bakora ibintu binini kandi kugira tukishima pe. Ndashimira ari yakuru ndagufana tujane kuke niyo bakobwa bagakorera atacu bitwara. Haguruka nta kibazo kurasiri reka sabe no gucaranya haguruka pa nawe haguruka agaranta reka sabe n'inshuti Imana haguruka pa
nta kibazo avuga utotera abantu aje kuri Yesu uyariza kabirana gasoma kuri 14
nicyo kizatuma uwiteka ubwe ari we uzabihera ikimenyetso dore umunani azasabira
umwari azasabira
abyaye
nushaka kugerageza uzabana mu mabwiriza manini dore umwari azasaba turi muri samatube urumva ngo gusaba hariya hari Imana agiye gucinjiramo wasengeye umugabo uzazakanyarira zakanyamakara ngo ushaka umugabo uri gushoboza Imana ni umukozi w'umuhanga yumva abantu bose igwaye umugabo wo gushoboza uzamurikira nigeze kubona ketchup yagiye nari mfite kumubaza akabazo kurusha ibaza ngo yabyara abana batatu sibyo bipanga cyane nari mfite amatsiko yaramucaye ariko umucanga yarabaganguye neza inyama ibitoki inzoga wakabari amafiriti ushobora gutekereza abantu b'ubukire kubatekereza wandaya kubatekereza ndabizi bifatanyije n'izo nzoga kuba mu gutekereza hano nabonye umugabo wacu si kutugutegura ariko nakubonye reka mbivuge nta kundi ko mbere cyane yerekeye guca ntabwo uriya mugabo akunda gukabya inzozi yigeze kuba yaguze imodoka bukeye bamufungiramo gifuti arayibona yongera kurota yaguze inzu barayibona nyine aza akabya inzozi tuba ariko ejo yarose yarazaye umutungo umugabo ko yarazaye noneho ubundi yakabije inzozi kuko yadakora n'ugakumva hari ikintu nyine yakabije inzozi kuko yavuze asanga yibereye kuvuga bihangana akandi gace yageze gukora niwe munyamurenge wa mbere numvise wakoze indaya biratangaje ariko nawe ashiramo akantu k'ubufura kugura indaya ntakibazo yagiye kuyigura ahantu kure nyine kugira aho batamubona nimba ari mu muringoti umugina umugina yagiye kugura indaya mu migina arataha abinyamirambo aravuga ngo barica bagira amanyanga uku mu gitondo yora arasakuza ngo mwishure menshi kurushaho reka mwishure nijoro arara mwishuye bashitse mu rugo bitewe n'urugendo yakoze rurerure afatwa n'udutotsi aravuga ngo ndaza kubikora mu kanya arasinzira kugeza mu gitondo wa mukobwa bararanye abona umugabo nyine arasinziriye burinze buca arigendera avutse mu gitondo akoze abona umuntu aho namugayaga nawe asohoka bitangaza cyangwa utakizi ko ubuzima yate je umuntu wese w'indani udashaka ngo ayishobora ayishije bashakanye bari muno wihangane tubakoresha k'akadobo tukongera tugakoresha indaya n'ibibazo nabonye umunyagwenya hano wishyuye vete haguruka ashaka kurasubira ntabwo nzambura izo mbuto zawe abanyarwanda ni abahanga umuntu yaciye umugani w'iza 88 none dore n'ubu buzuriye kuri wa muntu ngo imbwa zihunga ibivumbi zicara ku meza urakoze cyane
today I will break your leg. My neighbor, if you are not sitting on my destiny today, I will break your leg. When I look at my neighbor, if you see my neighbor, bouncer, very good. The guy was tall. Only his one arm is like 2 human beings. So when I look at the guy, I say, my neighbor, the guy look me. I say, if you are the one sitting on my glory, keep sitting. I don't need it. You see African pastors, pastoral animals, they don't look like the US, no. An African pastor wants to master animal. You look at the more possessed person because African animals, they are very strong. Malikabush, they speak in tongues. If I be a man of God, I come against man. In the name of Jesus, I come you out. African people that are eating fufu and panadian, you see the people. I'm not going. They won't go. I was at a deliverance service. The pastor was casting out people for hours. The demon refused to roll. He got to the point, the pastor knelt down. My dear, please go. Go so that they will believe that God is using you. How are you, my brother? Are you from this country? Don't make noise so we will not deport you. I don't want people here. When I went to Uganda, I saw a lot of white people. You know, a lot of white people are not coming to Africa. Please warn them that should behave. In Africa, you behave. Else they will deport you. You know, you know why I love Uganda so much? Hello? Let me tell you things you don't know about Uganda. Now, I want you to open your phone. Bring out your phone. Bring out your phone. Bring out your phone. Now, I want you to check your president's Instagram page. Let me tell you different things about Uganda. Open your president's Instagram page. President Paul Kagame. Open his Instagram page. Now, what do you see there? You see his username, right? Do you see his username? You see how long it is? How long it is that is how our problem is not in Nigeria? We are suffering in that country. You say what? Then they come. Who brought you here? Do you know to get? That guy is, I think it's quite nice. The way we live in Africa is different. Now let me tell you about our movies. If you watch foreign movies, you watch the American movies, you see when they look at movies. It looks real, right? You see Rambo, Commando, the way they act, you see someone comes out with a gun. He's having AK-47. He's shooting. You see people dying. In a movie, an American movie, 200 million people will die. But they wake up after the movie. But it looks real, right? But if you come to Africa, in Nigeria, how many of you watch Nigerian movies? They are deceiving you. What about India? How many of you watching their movies? You have killed my family. I'm going to kill you. You will now bring out his gun and shoot. Indian movie, you will see the bullets going with slow motion. Now, as the bullet hits your lap, the bullet will now hit him. Instead of him to die, so that the movie will end, you will see one girl from nowhere. We just come outside. Don't touch your eye. You must cry, very Jamaica, separating. The idiot that's supposed
to die, you see me. They will dance for 5 hours. After 5 hours, the movie will end. Hours with Michael. You see to Michael last fight, you see Junior Pope. Now they want to fight. He looks at Junior Pope. One man, this is your last time here. In Nollywood, as he's shooting, the person he's shooting is demonstrating. We will now bring out the second but sorry. You will see the guy. After he must have received like 55 bullets, he will now look at him. One man, you have killed me. Play a song like this, DJ. If somebody is about to die, you must play a song like this. If you're here a virgin, wave your hand, let me see. What the best in the house, celebrate yourself. If you're a virgin, clap for yourself. I mean, if you're a virgin here, clap for yourself. You're a virgin, you that look like someone who does porn. You cannot be a virgin, you. God forbid. Say God forbid. But this one, you. Why you still the guy? Why are you there? Oh my God. No, but for real, man and woman who cheat small. Okay, if it's a man, let me hear you say, Ahura. If it's the woman, let me hear you say, hey. To you. Do you know that women cheat more? It's just that women guys, we don't know how to cheat because we don't have sense. It is very easy to catch a cheating man because we don't know how to cheat. If your husband or your boyfriend is cheating on you, you will know. Because once you pick something phone, maybe your boyfriend is with you and his phone rang. Go. He picks the phone. And the wife or the girlfriend is there. Hello? Oh, no service. Hello? Oh, network. Hello, I can't hear you. Hello? Let me ask, hello? You will know that he is cheating. But if the woman is cheating, you can never know. Your wife or your girlfriend can be cheating on you, and then the boyfriend will call. You will pick the call in your front, and you will know. You will know. Now, a cheating wife, your husband is there. The boyfriend calls. She picks the phone. What you will hear is this. As the phone is ringing, first of all, she will involve the innocent man in the call. As the phone is ringing, she will not pick the call. Hello? Nothing. Okay. They will not tell your wife, baby, I love you. Will you hear? Me too. You know? Hello? Now, please, between Rwanda, Kenya, Tanzania, Nigeria, South Africa, Uganda, which country has the most beautiful women in Africa? Rwanda. Which woman has more beautiful breasts? Rwanda. Which woman have? Rwanda. Which woman have beautiful face? Which woman should government be paying salary every month? Rwanda women, right? Okay, but you know the beautiful women in Africa. If rapture takes place, which woman should die first? Is it Rwanda? How are you, my brother? My brother, do you have a question? I like this one. Like someone who's too full. Oh my God, that's like, I know you. Your Facebook familiar, right? We went to London group of Facebook. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen. So when I got here, the first day I got here at the airport, I was overwhelmed by the reception. First of all, coming to this show was, how should I put it? Was a great pleasure of mine. Because I had another show, we had another show somewhere else, but because of the love and the connection I have with Rwanda, I chose to be here. And because of the way you guys celebrate me, I celebrate you too. And I want to appreciate every one of you for coming to the show tonight. I want to appreciate you guys for making it to be here. And yes, please, do I talk fast in my English? Like, am I fast when I speak English? Okay, I'm too fast in English. Okay, I speak here in Rwanda too. Amakuru! 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 You get it, Amakuru? Amakuru. I speak, my brother, are you okay? Yeah. Why are you here? Like, you know that the guys, the way you're sitting and sitting, they have finished your money. They have finished your money. Yeah, the money is not finished. The money is still there. Yeah. You see, I like the guys that wear shorts. You look cool, like cool guy. I like when you look, like you look somehow. Were you a kidnapper before? Like you used to. Oh my God, see, let me tell you guys, Rwanda girls are very beautiful and they are very humble. Hello? Nigerian girls are not humble. Rwanda girls, you guys, they behave like the whites. You know when the white girl is dating a guy, and the guy breaks up with her. It's so romantic. You see white guy breaks up with the white lady. Jane, I'm tired of your rubbish. I'm not doing it again. You see the white lady. Oh my God! Mountains! You're leaving me! She will go to the kitchen, she will get a knife. Mountains, say you love me, else I'll kill myself. You see Mountains, Jane, I've told you it's over. Mountains, if you don't say you love me, I'm going to kill myself. Mountains will say, Jane, it's over. You will see the girl, white lady, she will take the knife. Oh! She will die. We don't do that in Africa. Especially in Nigeria. You break up with a Nigerian girl, you come to a Nigerian girl. Favor! After all the things they don't do me, I'm not doing the game, I know they do. They go! A Nigerian girl. Okay, Chuku. You don't mean it. So you can even break up with me. Really? Really, okay, Chuku, you look at me, you're breaking up with me. After I have been managing you. Nigerian girls don't cry. Hello? They don't cry. If a Nigerian girl is crying, maybe it's because she did not eat a lot of the money. So as she's crying to her friends. Oh, that stupid boy. That useless boy that got me punished. What is paining me now? What is paining me now is I'm supposed to ask him for 1 million last week.